How to stay connected Wi-Fi password. Hello everyone, welcome on this channel. Today I will guide you through a simple method to discover the password of a Wi-Fi network we're currently connected to. So this can be useful if you have forgotten the password and need to reconnect another device or simply want to have it handy. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to ensure that you have connected to the Wi-Fi network for which you want to retrieve the password. So let's open the settings on your device and then scroll down. At the top one you will see Wi-Fi, so let's open it and then tap on the Save Networks. Next to it you can see the I button, tap on it. Then you will get on this page so that we can know all the information about this network. Tap on the Share button next to Forgot and then you need to verify the identity to get access to this section. So as you can see that we already know the password of this Wi-Fi. You can also scan it and connect other devices as well using that. So that's how we do it. I hope this video worked for you.
So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.